poorly adjusted scissor will close simply like this. A well-adjusted scissor will close at around about 5 minutes to the hour. At CoolBlades we service hundreds of scissors each year. One of the main faults that we see when a scissor comes into us is the tension has been poorly adjusted. And it's simply adjusted by using the thumb screw or a screwdriver if you have that type of adjustment. Simple daily cleaning routine for your scissors. Using a brush, brush away the hair on the inside of the blades around the screw system. Using a hygienic spray, spray a small amount onto the scissor and just wipe off on the blades, being sure not to cut your fingers. And using a scissor oil, apply that oil to the inside of the blade, smoothing over with your fingers, and then back to the correct adjustment as mentioned before. All these parts can be found at coolblades.co.uk, including scissor maintenance.